Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering both speakers and your source device. Make sure battery levels are healthy, because low charge disrupts pairing. Next, you position the speakers close, about 1 to 3 meters, and clear obvious interference like routers or metal. Then you activate Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and put each speaker into its pairing mode. Follow the specific LED or voice prompt. Once one speaker appears, do not connect it to audio yet. Stay ready to initiate the stereo or dual mode on the master speaker. You now perform the linking process. Designate the speaker that will be the master and trigger its dual or stereo link function. Many units use a long press or app command. Once the master is waiting, press the specific button or use the app to add the second speaker. Listen for the chime and observe matching LEDs. After they link, return to your source device and select only the master speaker as the audio output. This way the master relays sound to the slave, ensuring synchronized playback. You finish by playing a familiar test track and checking stereo balance, timing, and volume levels. Adjust the source or speaker app equalizer as needed. If you hear lag or dropouts, power cycle both speakers and the source, then relink. Often this clears transient errors. Make sure firmware and any companion apps are up to date, because manufacturers fix sync bugs regularly. If one speaker refuses to join, reset that unit to factory defaults and redo the linking sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.